Hi, hello to everyone. This is Anupama. In this video, I am going to continue the introduction of progressions. First of all, let us recap the definition of progression, right? Definition of progression. What is the definition of progression? Series of numbers which follows some pattern which can be identified by us. Okay. So, for this, let me take one example. Example, uh, 2, 1, 2. Okay, start from 2, 6, 10, 14, and so on. Yes, here it is series of numbers, right? Series of numbers which is following some pattern. What is the pattern? Let us see the pattern. Here, if you add plus 4, you will get 6. Again, for 6 plus 4, you will get 10. Plus again 4, you will get 14. Plus 4, you will get 15, sorry, 18. Okay. So, this here we are able to identify the particular pattern, and here we are seeing some particular series of numbers. So, we call this as progression. Okay. And each one in this is called as term. So each one in this series, in the series of numbers, each number is called as a term. Okay. So coming to the next topic in this type, one particular type of progression is there. Let us start that with an example and then go to the definition of the theme. Okay. So take an example. Here I am using starts from 3. Start with 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. Okay. Here, what now? If you add plus 2, you are getting the next term. Right? So here you will get 13. Okay. Here you are, if you add the 2 for the each term, you are getting the next term. Otherwise, how you can see the other thing? How you can see 9 minus 2. That is right. Minus 2 you are getting this. Again minus 2 you are getting this. Again minus 2 you are getting this. Again minus 2 you are getting this. Right? So here we are adding or subtracting some fixed number for each term. Fixed number to get each term. Right? Here we are adding or subtracting some fixed number to get each term. Okay, so like this type of progression is called as arithmetic progression, right? The progression in which some fixed number is adding or subtracting to get each term. The type of progressions are called as arithmetic progression. So again here we are the fixed number adding or subtracting. Is called as Botman. Take this common difference. Okay, common difference and denoted by D. Denoted by D. Okay, understanding? So the progression which is in which some particular fixed number is added or subtracted to get each term, the type of progressions are called as arithmetic progressions, and that fixed number which is adding or subtracting to get the number, that is called as common difference. Okay, in the arithmetic progression. So after this, one more example you take. Here I am taking one more example, that is, start again with 3. Okay? Okay, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and so on. Right? So, if you observe what this particular first term is, here in every series you won't get 3, right? In every series you won't get the same number. So for that we must give some specific, some variable where we can give some different numbers. So the first term is the first term termed as A. Okay, that is A1. Second term termed as A2. Okay, and so on. You can write it as what we can't say the exact the last digit is. So we can say AN. Nth term termed as AN. Okay, these are the term names given for terms in the arithmetic progression. Okay, and before we have seen the common difference denoted by small d. Okay, now the common difference. Common difference D is equals to what will get? A2 minus A1 equals A3 minus A2 equals A2 minus A1, like that. And also at last you will get D is equals to AN minus AN minus 1. Okay. Okay, the common difference from the series we can give it as second number minus first number, which is equals to A3 minus A2, which is equals to A2 minus A1, and at last it is equals to even AN minus 1, means nth term minus n minus 1th term. Okay, so this is about the common difference and first term of the arithmetic progression. And the last topic in this we can give here how we are writing the arithmetic progression numbers A1 comma A2 comma A3 comma and so on AN. How we are getting each term? A plus, first one is A, and how you are getting the next term? A plus the common difference, right? Next, A plus, before that let us take directly an example. One, 5, 9, 13, 17 and so on. Okay, here how we are getting this term is given name here, right? So how we are getting plus 4, you are getting 5, again plus 4, you are getting 9, again plus 4, you are getting 13, again plus 4, you got 17, right? Right? So here we are, this is common difference. Difference is nothing but this. Means minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. So each is common. So what you can write? A comma A plus D. Here what is D? D is equals to 4. Okay? D is equals to 4. A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D. Yes, as the term is going on, the coefficient of D is increasing, right? The coefficient of D is increasing because if you take this as first term, this is first term, which is 0 plus 1, and this second, which is 0 plus 2, sorry, 0 plus the first term 0 plus 1, and we are adding 1 to each one. This is sorry. First term and the second term, how you will get 1 plus 1. Third term you will get here 0 mark. D difference is not there. Because this is first term, you won't have any difference. You go to the second term. What you will get the difference? Our common difference is minus, 1. That is second term means 2 minus 1. This is third term. 3 minus 1. You get 2. Here you get 1, right? If anything not there in the coefficient, please we have to take 1. So this is fourth term. What we have? 4 minus 1? 3. And the same way, as you are going on like that, at last you will get a plus n minus 1 into d. This is nth term. And this is first term. This is first term and this is nth term. In the first term you won't have any common difference. In the nth term you will have the common difference d, but the coefficient will be n minus 1. Okay, got it? So here we are using this way of particular pattern. So this thing is called as general form of arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. In this, if you observe, each term is given. This is A is first term and D is common difference. And this is nth term minus 1. Okay, understood? This is all about arithmetic progression, which is one of the type of progressions we have seen till now is this. Okay, understood? This is all about progression, arithmetic progression. General form, first term, common difference, nth term, and all we have seen, right?